guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using all affordable Inside Cosmetics makeup products. I got this beautiful golden pouch by Inside Cosmetics. This is their influencer kit, and in here they have a full face of makeup product. So I'm going to be using all of these products to create a full face of makeup, and I'm so excited for today's video. I'm so excited to use all of these products because I love Inside Cosmetics as a brand. Firstly, their products are so affordable and yet they perform just as good as any other high-end brand in the market, yet they are so easy on the pockets. So that's the reason why I love Inside Cosmetics. They have such a good shade range as well. They have such a good range of products to choose from, which is the best part. So I'm super excited to do my makeup today, and yeah, let's just get started with the video. Before I jump onto makeup, I'm just using a moisturizer to hydrate my skin. This ensures that your makeup ends up looking flawless and not cakey. Firstly, I'm going to be using this Inside Cosmetics HD foundation. This is a high coverage dewy foundation, and I'm in the shade LN10. Now this foundation comes in 6 shades and this retails only for ₹235, which is such an affordable price point for a high coverage foundation. So I'm just spreading the foundation all over my face evenly, and as you can see, it's given me such a beautiful coverage. The coverage is so high. I really love how high coverage this foundation is. It's covered up all of my blemishes, all of the redness that I had on my skin, all of the unevenness, everything. It's covered so perfectly. My skin looks so flawless. I generally never go for such high coverage foundations, but I'm really impressed by how amazing it looks, and I'm sure to be using this a lot, especially for like wedding functions and festivals and all of that. I'm sure to be using this. It's so affordable and yet the coverage is so good. Moving on to concealer, I'm using the Inside Cosmetics HD Conceal Correct Contour Palette. This is the shade Light Skin, and this comes in 3 shades, and this is what all the shades look like. And the best part is that at the back they've mentioned how you're supposed to use each shade and what skin tone it's meant for. So I'm gonna be using this shade and applying it under my eyes. It's quite creamy. And it matches me perfectly. I'm also putting a little bit of that on my lid just to correct it. And now blending everything out with a beauty blender. This was all real-time blending, and I have never blended my concealer so fast. It literally took me like less than 30 seconds to blend this complete eye, and I am really happy with how fast this blends. It's very easy to work with. The formulation is so creamy. The texture is so creamy. I absolutely love how good this concealer is. It's done a decent job under my eyes. It has concealed all of my dark circles, as you can see, and so fast. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it worked. Let me just set all of this base makeup in place using this powder. This is Inside Cosmetics HD Finishing Loose Powder. So once you open this, it comes with this puff, and you need to remove the sticker to get the powder out. So I'm just going to shake this to get the powder out. I'm going to start off with setting my under eye region, and I'm applying a little bit more so that this bakes while I set the rest of my skin. And to set the rest of my skin, I'm using a powder brush. And now I'm just going to dust this off. I love what an amazing job this powder has done. It's blurred out my pores on my cheeks because it's very finely milled. Moreover, it's made my entire face skin so matte. I love how good this is for the summer season when you want your skin to be non-oily for a long time, when you want your makeup to like stay in place for a long time. This is going to be really good for the summer season. And for my under eye region also, it's like set my under eyes in place so well. The under eye region does not look cakey at all. This is one area that ends up looking cakey too soon, but I love how, you know, smooth it looks. So let's complete the rest of the face makeup first before we move on to the eyes. I'm using this Inside Cosmetics Makeup Essentials blusher. This is in the shade 01 Soft Salmon. So I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks using my fingers. And can you see how quickly it blended in my skin? I love how creamy this is. And whatever's left on my hands, I'm just gonna like apply it on my nose and on my chin to balance it out. Moving on to highlighter, I'm using Inside Cosmetics Makeup Essentials highlighter. This is in the shade 01 Mermaid Scale. And again, it's a creamy highlighter, so I'm just gonna like apply it with my fingers. Oh my god, this is really pigmented. Even the blush was really pigmented. This is like so good. Usually creamy highlighters never perform this good, but I am really impressed by this one. It's giving me such a beautiful glowy beamy finish, and yet it looks super natural for some reason. I think it's because of the creaminess that it looks super natural. It's absolutely like powdery, non-chunky. There are no glitters in this. This is like a shine from within kind of look that you get. And I really love how beautiful it looks. I'm so obsessed with this highlighter. Oh my god. इसको blend करना भी बहुत easy है. It's blending in seconds. And it's giving me such a beautiful natural highlighted look. I'm drooling over this. I'm really impressed with this blush and highlighter. I love the natural finish that they've given me. They've given me such a beautiful natural glow and a natural flush of color. And they're so creamy and so easy to blend using just your fingers. You don't even require makeup tools. So I'm sure to be like, using both of these products in my daily makeup regime. They're so easy and quick to work with, and they give you such a natural finish. And I'm using this Inside Cosmetics Smudge Free Eyebrow Pencil. This comes with the eyebrow pencil on one end and the blush at the other end. This is quite pigmented and so creamy. Can you see the before and after? It's done such an amazing job, and I really love the spoolie. It's very soft, unlike all of the other spoolies that I've ever used, which are like so rough on the hair. This is very, very soft, and the eyebrow pencil is very creamy as well. It's so easy to blend. It's so easy to like work with. It's not very creamy that you're gonna get a lot of product. It's slightly waxy as well, but comparatively, it's very creamy, and look at how pigmented it is. Inside Cosmetics also has an intense kohl kajal, and it's so jet black. But aaj na I'm not in the mood for kajal, so I'm directly gonna go in with an eyeliner. This is Inside Cosmetics Liner Express. It's a felt tip eyeliner, and you can see how pointy the tip is. So creating that perfect sharp wing is going to be really easy with the help of this. And let me just see how black this is first. It's really black. It's jet black. So I love how jet black this eyeliner is. It looks so beautiful, and this is also smudge proof, which is the best part. It makes it very long lasting, and the felt tip is like so nice and sharp. It was very easy to create that wing with the help of it. Okay, so now to finish off the makeup look, I'm using Inside Cosmetics POUT color palette. At the back of the palette, they've mentioned all the shade names. So let me just swatch all of the shades for you before I apply it on my lips. This is 01 Brick, 02 Petal, 03 Gem, 04 Buff, 05 Caramel, 06 Aura, 07 Cocktail, 08 Cocoa, 09 Espresso, 10 Magnet. I love how inclusive the shade range is. They have so many nudes, they have browns, they have magenta and pink and red and maroon. They've included like all the shades in this one single palette. So it's a great go-to palette that you can carry while traveling. You don't have to carry like 10 different lipsticks. You can just carry this one palette and it's going to give you 10 shades. So the two shades that I'm really obsessed with are 01 and 04. So I think I'm going to go for 04 today. It looks so subtle and at the same time it makes you look so presentable. So I really love how beautiful the shade is, and I think this can be one of my go-to shades. To seal all of the makeup in place, I'm using a makeup fixer. So this is the final look and I'm obsessed with how beautiful it has turned out. It looks so natural, so wearable. You can easily pull off this makeup to office, to college, for meetings, for any occasion whatsoever. And I love how my skin looks like. I just cannot get over how beautiful my cheeks look, especially. The natural flush of color, that natural glow that these blush and highlighters have given me is amazing. I've never seen products perform so well, so natural. I'm highly impressed by both of these products especially, and I'm sure to be using them so much more often on a regular basis. I'm also super happy with the foundation. The coverage that it's given me is outstanding. I've never used a foundation this high coverage. I usually go for sheer to medium foundations. The first time that I tried this and I absolutely love it. And for the price, the coverage that you're getting is amazing. This Inside Cosmetics kit also comes with a nail paint, but I did not use it in today's video because I'm supposed to be using this after 5 days. I have a wedding function to attend after 5 days and I did not want to use it today and then remove it and then apply it again for that time. So I'll be using it after 5 days. I really love the color. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is the shade 34. It's a nude color. So yeah, that was my video on a full face of makeup using Inside Cosmetics makeup products. I'm really happy with how the look turned out, and I'm sure to be using these products so much more often. You'll also find the links to all of the Inside Cosmetics makeup products that I used in the description box below, so you can check that out too. Also, I cannot wait for Inside Cosmetics to launch more makeup because I definitely want to try more of their makeup products. I think their makeup products are so good and yet so affordable. So yeah, I absolutely love how this makeup look turned out, and in case if you want to recreate it, do tag me on your Instagram recreations. You can find my Instagram handle in the description box below. So if you found this video helpful, if you enjoyed watching it, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in the next video.